Evan's mom, Susan, grew up in the house. She's currently living next door, will stay here during the restoration, and is even part of the demolition team. Hey, Susan.
Oh, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm well, thank you. You got the wallpaper stripping duty, huh?
Oh, I enjoy it, though.
You do?
Very much, yep.
Well, you're the only one in the room who enjoys it. What have you found?
Well, I'm counting down the layers. So far, I think I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's going to be 6.
Well, we appreciate the help, and it's a nice discovery. Thank you, Susan. So as you can see, demolition is happening pretty much everywhere. This room is under demolition. Evan took his hands to this wall right here, got the plaster and lath off. And of course, in here, we've got some more demolition going on. And part of our goal is to protect not just Susan, who's living next door, but then also Matt, to protect your guys, because there's going to be a lot of dust created. You want to keep them safe. What is your plan for doing that? Because it looks like you got one.
Yeah, so we'd like to be able to separate sections of the house, make sure that we're blocking off how the air is moving from room to room, and that's important. We've hung plastic in areas. We took a couple doors and put doors where there weren't. Now we're going to use this air remediation system. What I'm doing here is monitoring that air, checking what the particulate level is. This little device allows us to measure what that particulate is, even though it's microscopic and we can't see it so much with our eyes.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is plug this system in right here. This is an air scrubber, and it's going to clean that air up by filtering it.
It starts with this filter right here. That's going to take the heavy plaster dust and collect it first.
So this is intake pushing this way?
Exactly. And then you're going to come open up inside. And we have an air charcoal filter right here that cleans it a little more.
Filter number 2?
Right. And this is a HEPA filter right here. It's a high efficiency filter to take the small particulates out of the air.
How small are we talking?
Down to 0.3. Which is really small. I mean, your hair is, I believe, 70 microns. But we can test this out by lighting a smoke bomb, fill in the room with smoke, and see how fast it'll evacuate.
You had me at smoke bomb.
All right, here goes.
How much air will pass through this?
I think this is 550 cubic feet a minute.
So say this room's about 1,200 cubic feet, maybe 1,400. So this is able to clean the room in about 2 minutes of time.
Oh, yeah.
All right, it cleared the smoke in the room, that's for sure. And you can see this filter was white when we began, so it captured a lot of smoke there.
Yep, it did. That's good news.
Yep.
So, Matt, you're going to seal up the rooms, you're going to evacuate the air and scrub it. How many of these are you going to have going during demolition?
We're going to have 4 of them going, so 1 on each floor, and then we'll have an additional one we'll bring to every floor as it's getting additional demolition done to it.
That'll keep you guys safe, and then, of course, Susan can stay right next door.
That's what we're hoping for.
Good. All right. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.